Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can fix we couldn't install a required dependency in Valorant error by these two methods for all the versions of Windows, whether it's Windows 10 or Windows 7. So please like this video if you find this video useful. So basic reason behind this error is that there is some error occurred during installation. So we are trying to fix this error, keeping that in mind. So to fix this issue, firstly you have to go to the Riot Vanguard tray and just click on More and click on Install Vanguard. Once you click on Install Vanguard, it will ask for the confirmation. Here it will ask that you will completely install Riot Vanguard from your computer. So click on Yes and it will install the Riot Vanguard. After the installation is done, to be 100% sure, we will go to command prompt and run it as administrator. After running it as administrator, you have to type the command scdelete vgc. And after that, type the command scdelete vgk. Once you execute both of this command, type exit to exit from the command prompt. Now after that, just go and restart your system. Once the restart is completed, again come back and this time go to the program files in your C drive. So in the C drive you will find the program files folder. Go into that and then go to the Riot Vanguard and right click on it and try to delete this folder also. If you get this message, it means that Riot Vanguard still is working in the background. Just type exit and just delete it from here by clicking delete. So once it is deleted, now you have to go and restart your system. Once you restart your system, now again go to the Valorant and this time run it as administrator. For that, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, it will again installing the Riot Vanguard into the system. It will ask for some permission, accept those permissions, and then it will start downloading the game in the background, Riot Vanguard, and check if you are getting the correct result or not. Now even after this error is not removed, then only way left is to again install the complete game and download the installer from the valorant.com, playvalorant.com, and then check that this error is removed after reinstallation or not. Now if you are facing the issue in Windows 7, then for that there is this 2 security patches which you need to install your system to resolve this issue. For that, go to the Google Chrome and you have to type this security patch for Windows 7 and the first link will be the Microsoft official link to install the patches. You have to download it. So first download this 628 and later on go to the second security patch which ends with 419. So just type the same security patch for Windows 7 and just install this complete security patch into your system. Once you install both of this security patch, again go and just try to download the Valorant and try to run it as administrator and check you are getting this error or not. So these are the two methods which can be help you to fix the errors in all the versions of Windows. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.